Welcome to English Leap video lessons. Both the sentences on screen are correct, but you will notice that in one we have used the word who, whereas in the other we have used the word whom. Why have we done this? Well, let's analyze these sentences. In the case of the first sentence, the word who is acting on the verb called. In other words, when we find out the name of the person, we will know who did the calling. Hence, it replaces the subject of the sentence. Another way of understanding this is to use he instead of who and see if the sentence still works. Sounds alright, doesn't it? So who is always the subject of a sentence. In the case of the second sentence, it is the pronoun you that is acting on the verb leave. In other words, you left the key with someone and the speaker would like to know that person's name. So, you is the subject and whom is the object. Another way of understanding this is to rephrase the sentence with him. Since this is correct, it is also correct to ask, whom did you leave the keys with? There is yet another way to understand the usage of whom. When we use a preposition like for, with, to, by, on, in, etc., we always use whom. For example, so there you have it. Let's do a quick recap. And that's all there is to it. So now, hopefully, we know when to use who and when to use whom. And remember, keep practicing.